some sad mist that pulls beneath the surface, consuming, confusing. This life of self-control and fear is never ending. Controlling, I can't seem to find myself again. My wall is closing in. I felt this way before.